It's been a long first day, hot sun, blue sky, lots of swimming, and food. And at the evening today, I tried the evening buffet at the mainpool restaurant. And as you can see in the videos, everything looks nice. They had a cooler system at the fruits, and they had all the hot dishes with upwarmed plates. So the food was warm, and well, it's not a gourmet food, it's a buffet, but it's okay, it's tasted good, and everyone should find something they like there. So the evening buffet was similar to the lunch buffet, but not quite the same dishes. And there were chefs cooking fresh meat, fresh pizza all the time. So I have nothing to complain on the evening meal. I will check out a couple of the other restaurants during my stay, but so far I have nothing to complain about on breakfast, lunch or evening dinner. See you in another video.